In the CEMIT visualizer, you can get an overview of track conditions and do deep dives into the data using a browser-based visual interface. Choose the region and track you want to inspect, and using the visual slides you can choose the time to analyze. The visual representation of the track will update in real time to show points of interest where you can delve deeper. Zoom in and out, and choose specific stretches of track to focus on. Again, the map will update in real time and show the selected stretch. On the right, you can adjust the parameter limits, which will immediately update the map to the current limits chosen. When you are ready to delve into the data, you can hover the mean acceleration chart and see the corresponding point on the map. The same goes for the subsections like rail cant, where you can see graphs on the left, that you can hover and immediately see visually where on the track the data belongs. Searching for specific information, you can also zoom in on the map and get detailed information about specific points on the track. The same goes for track gauge, where you can see detailed visual analysis and immediately correspond it to geographical locations on the map. Lastly, the Comparison tab will present several data points using the same intuitive map integration to show data of interest and how they correlate to each other. If you want to learn more about how the CEMIT visualizer works and how it can help your business, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you so much for watching.